Professionally built radios are automatically activated by this tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in central Arizona. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Maricopa and Northwest Pinal counties. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning device. Here is the 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time observation for Phoenix on Wednesday, June 17th. At Sky Harbor, it was mostly sunny. Visibility 10 miles. Temperature was 93 degrees. Dew point 30.
Who's still on? Oh, you are. Alright, guys, I have a very special announcement to make. I am gonna have to switch up my setup here. The WR100s do not like my 1650A. The interference is really bad, and I don't have really other place to put it. And so what I was gonna do, I was gonna put my version 5 there, version 2 in a very, very special radio there. But because of interference, that plan has been changed. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to put my shut up 12-262. Have to put it in another area. But it was successful, so that's awesome. And another thing is that let me get this up here. The very special thing I told you guys last night in my unboxing video. If you haven't watched that version 2 unboxing video, please go and check that out. It's on my YouTube channel. But I said that very, very special radio was going to get here June 19th. I would love to have it here June 19th. But because it is being shipped with freaking UPS ground, it's going to get here at Monday. Take forever. I hate UPS ground. UPS ground sucks! Anyway, it came from Kalamazoo, I think. Shout out to SBC Kalamazoo. Oh, I feel bad for him. Man, I felt the same way that the Messiah, he had a version 2 that came from Arizona, and I was kind of mad. But yeah, successful, very special radio going to be coming in the 22nd, maybe the 23rd if my post office can get it to me on time. But yeah, anyway, I am going to need to move things around. Yeah, see, I have weak reception on my version, my WR400. That's because of this dude who has so much interference. Yeah, listen to this.
It was sunny with a temperature of 85 at Las Vegas and 85 at Albuquerque. At El Paso, it was...
That's a lot of interference. So, this guy's going to have to move. Well, this is Recon EAS here. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It'd be very, very supportive. That's about it. See you guys later. Oh my god!